Yo. Hey, yo. What's going on, people? Welcome back to the channel. Wakey here. And today, banger, full spectrum cough mixture. Here, as normal or as usual, let me tell you what's in it, how you make it, and why I've decided to put this together. So first of all, you're going to need some lemons because you want the lemon juice. Also, you're going to want some ginger root as well. Next up is some honey, some cardamom pods, star anise, cayenne pepper, Himalayan salt and black pepper, and here I've got some fresh thyme, and you can see that I'm using cinnamon bark, but you could also use cinnamon quills, whatever you can find. Oh yeah, and of course the star of the show, Curaleaf's 20mg THC, 10mg CBD oil, and I do have some spring water for the base of this one. So let's go. So yeah, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Shout out to subscribers old and new. We're managing to slowly climb up and get the message out there, so big love to you all for supporting me. And yeah, we're going to just get the hot plate out. As you can see, I'm adding some of the spring water to the pan. Then I'm going to add some lemon juice. Now, I had quite a lot of lemon juice. Being a terp head, that limonene, I'm all about it. Then you can see that I'm going to add the black pepper, of course, for the piperine content, but I'll talk a little bit more about the synergy between the ingredients later on. Okay, and then I'm going to just chuck in some thyme, which is unbelievably powerful. A really nice big piece of fresh thyme. Now I'm going to take my pestle and mortar. I'm just going to crush the cardamom pods to expose the seeds. I'm going to add those to the pan, and then you can see I've got my chopped ginger, my star anise, and my cinnamon bark as well. So they're going in, and I'm just going to let those infuse. I'm not going to allow it to boil too vigorously. I'm just going to let it roll in the background. And while that's happening, I'm going to add just a pinch of cayenne pepper to this one. Now this pepper is super hot, so I only need a pinch. I'll be careful. Okay, awesome. So I'm just going to stir that, let that infuse together. And I'm going to cover it. Now this milk pan doesn't have a lid, so I'm just going to shove any pan lid on there. And I'm going to leave that for about 10 minutes just to do its thing. All right. So next, I'm going to prepare my oil. So with this particular recipe, I add the oil to each individual shot. Really good idea to do that because this linctus is powerful. And I mean, even without the cannabis oil, because the ingredients work together on so many levels. So guys, if you're enjoying the content, please like and subscribe. And while I go and strain out these ingredients with my muslin cloth, we're going to have a look at the next stage. So you can see that I've got my infused water, if you like, at this stage, and I'm going to add the honey now the mixture has cooled. And the reason why I'm doing that is because you don't want to denature those enzymes. We're making this as a cold remedy, or you might even be able to hear it in my voice, hay fever. And then we're just going to combine. I'm just using a jar as a simple way of ensuring it's all properly combined. Okay, and then let's give it a go, and let's talk about what makes this incredible traditional linctus so special. Now, the honey, that coats the throat and it fights infection. The lemon juice, that really wakes up your salivary glands and it boosts your vitamin C. So when you're feeling ropey, we all know that is definitely the way to go. Now, thyme, that is absolutely crucial here. Thyme is an ancient recipe, an ancient remedy, which brings in thymol, and it's a heavy hitter for the lungs. And when you're using vaporization as a method of medicating with your prescription, then guys, really, really important to look after the lungs. Yeah, the cardamom. Now that supports gut health and mental clarity. The cayenne and black pepper improve circulation, but not only that, they help to support cannabinoid absorption as well. And as we know, Himalayan salt restores the natural minerals and also aids with your hydration. So as I mentioned earlier, I add my dosage of the oil. I'm doing it in a small jar, and then I'm just going to shake that together. You can stir it or you can not even mix it. It really doesn't make much difference as long as it's in there. And yeah, we've got the real star of the show in there, the star anise. So I'm just going to hit the Hong Tai. These are available over on the website. If you check out Medicated Shop, we've got them on there for you. And I'm just going to hit the venti pairing with green carrot supreme diesel, which is beautiful to go with this remedy. And as I say, the star anise, that has something I can't even pronounce. Shikimic acid is how I'm reading it, which is a really potent anti-inflammatory and antiviral. And this really helps your body maintain balance, especially when your systems run down. And that also activates the TRPV1 receptor, and that's the same receptor activated by CBD and cayenne pepper. So this means it works together alongside the cannabinoids, easing pain and easing that stress response as well, while priming your system to absorb your plant compounds, I suppose, more efficiently. So wow, that is a secret weapon in the arsenal of this incredible medicine, guys. I really recommend you give it a try, with or without your cannabis oil. And if you like a traditional soft drink, you can put some nice sparkling water and some ice in there, and it'll give you an incredible traditional flavor. But yeah, let me know, guys, what did you think to this one? Have you tried it? Are you gonna try it? It really works for me, I swear by it. I've used it for years, and I'm delighted to be able to share this one with you. But yeah, once again, shout out Medicated UK. Thanks very much for watching the video, and we'll catch you in the next one.